Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to remove all your saved posts on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select the Saved option. Here, you will see all your saved posts. To view all saved items, tap See All. Now, to delete a specific post, tap the three dots next to the post you want to remove. Then select the Unsave option, followed by Remove to delete it. You can repeat this process to delete individual saved posts. But unfortunately, Facebook doesn't allow you to delete all saved posts at once from this section. To delete everything at once, go back to the homepage of Facebook. Tap the three lines in the top right corner again, and then go to Settings. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Next, scroll down and select Activity Log. Tap on your activity across Facebook, then scroll down. Here, select Saved Items and Collections, then tap on Saved Items. Now, you'll see all your saved posts. Tap the Select All box to choose everything. After that, click the Remove button at the bottom of the page, then confirm by clicking Remove again. You will then be prompted to enter your Facebook password. Once entered, click Submit, and all your saved posts will be deleted from your account. That's it! Your saved posts have been successfully removed. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like.